Hey everyone, welcome to Janice channel. Today, we're learning how to pronounce the name of one of Hollywood's most talked about rising stars, Timothée Chalamet. At first glance, you might just say Timothée Chalamet, or even skip the accent altogether, but let's break it down the right way. His first name, Timothy, is French, and it's pronounced Timothée, though he's said he's totally fine with people using the more English Timothy. As for his last name, Chalamet, that's pronounced Chalamet, soft on the CH, and ending with that French-sounding may. So altogether, it's Timothée Chalamet. Try it with me a few times. Timothée Chalamet, Timothée Chalamet, Timothée Chalamet, Timothée Chalamet. Super smooth, right? Now you're saying it like a pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give the video a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more pronunciation tips here on Janice channel. See you in the next one.